Hey guys, welcome back to Roshna Razbal. So today we will be discussing about the recruitment from of Zoho company, which is off-campus recruitment. They are hiring for technical support engineer. So today we will discuss basically about the entire pattern, about the profile, then the total rounds and the questions, interview questions, and the technical round topics. We will be discussing, and the aptitude round topics we will cover up. So let's start with it. So basically you will have total five rounds in total. So first round will be your aptitude round. Now in aptitude round, that will consist of the aptitude questions, which will be from your quants, then English it could be from, and then your the reasoning questions would be there. So all in all, total 50% of the questions weightage will depend on the aptitude, this aptitude questions type of, and then the 50% weightage would be approximately about the code snippet, which is a find out code for you will get questions like this. This is for the first round, which is the written or aptitude round, you can say. Then the second round is the programming round. So now in programming round, so programming round is like second round and third round, which will be programming round, which is programming and the advanced programming. This round is almost same, both the rounds are same, but the level of the questions will in the interview will be a bit high level questions, you can say, or the medium could differ. So in the programming round, the medium could be easy to medium, or and in the advanced programming it could depend, like the medium would be high, level would be high, a bit tricky questions you can expect. So in this like the topics you can expect is like data structures and algorithms. Then yeah, approximately 2 to 3 questions you can expect. And again in the advanced programming round, again 2 to 3 questions you can expect, depending upon the level of the questions, that would definitely increase. Fine. Then the topic could be for the technical round, which is the fourth round. For the technical round, again it depends upon your basics of technical subjects, like they can ask you about the arranging string to particular pattern. Then they will ask you about your projects, if you have done any. So basically if you have any a prior experience, then they will ask you more about your experiences and your projects. You have to be very well versed with projects, because most of the companies do ask about projects, so that they come to know that whether you have done the projects on your own, or plus do you have the complete knowledge about your projects, what kind of language you have used in that, what kind of tools you have used in that. You have to know each and everything, plus the pros and cons of your projects as well. You should be very well versed with any changes or any updates or something. You should know about the projects you have done. Next, you will the questions would depends upon the OOPS concept. You can expect questions from pointers, strings, matrix. You can expect, and yeah, more the language they are focusing is the candidates, they will look after who knows about C++, Java, and the Python languages. In case you have a very strong hold on any of these languages, you are good to go in this particular profile. And the next round would be your HR questions. You will get general HR questions, and you have to be very well versed with, like basic question. You can first question you can expect is like, tell me something about yourself. Be crisp and short, explaining about your yourself, from whatever you have mentioned in your CV should match actually that what is about yourself, like your education, basic projects you have done, or your basic strength, hobby you can include in that. But yes, make sure that whatever you say, that you should, in case you have any, they ask you any further questions, any cross questioning, then you should be able to answer those questions. So make sure that you know everything. Apart from this, next questions you can expect from HR round is like, 5 years from now, where do you see yourself? So these are very common questions, you can say. The situation questions, or are you comfortable to relocate? So right now the I think vacancy is for Chennai location. So in case you are from some other location, so they might ask you to relocate, and they'll ask your preference. So yes, then why what do you know about Zoho company? And you should know what Zoho does, what are who all are their competitors. And yeah, you should know very basic thing, I mean very, you should know actually about Zoho, what they do, about this profile you are applying for. Don't be blank. So yes, this is what the next question you can expect. Next is, yes, why you are leaving your current job. Just in case you are experienced, they can ask you why, the reason behind why you are leaving. So you can tell them that for a better growth opportunities, and better obviously monetary benefits as well, we that you are looking out for, so, and why do we hire you. So here it is very important, like why should Zoho hire you. You should tell your strengths basically, so that they get impressed, that why should you be hired for Zoho. You can expect all these type of questions for basically HR round, you can expect. And all other questions also you can prepare, you can research about it. And I mean be very open about telling the HR, I mean explaining the HR questions, because they can ask you cross questioning also in those questions. Also in the last, they obviously the interviewer might ask you that any questions further. So yeah, do keep few questions, I mean one or two question, at least one question for the interviewer. That actually shows that you are keen to learn, you are keen to join this company and know a lot of things about Zoho. So yes, keep one question at least for the interviewer. This will be a bit, they'll interact you more with you. Then the last info, these were all your rounds. You can, so all the total rounds, the entire process may take up to 4 weeks, depending upon your performance. About like they can take time also, it can be earlier also, it can take up to 4 weeks also. So be patient, because they are hiring a lot of people. So do wait for emails. And yeah, also guys, if you have already applied with Zoho in the past 3 months, so don't apply for it, you won't be eligible for that. So yeah, make sure that you haven't applied in the last 3 months. Apart from this, if you have any queries or doubts, do let me know for Zoho. And you can message me on Instagram as well, I am very much available there, or comment me on the comment section. I have also created a lot of videos on Accenture preparation, so you can go through the playlists, you can go through the videos, that will be really helpful. I know you are preparing for the TFAs and everything. I have created all the videos related to TFA experience and TFA patterns, so do check out that videos as well. So yeah, till then guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the red color button for the latest updates. And yeah, do join the Telegram channel for the latest job updates. Till then guys, bye, have a great day.